MAVEN stands for the Mars Atmosphere and Volatile Evolution Mission. It's the next spacecraft mission we're sending to Mars as part of our exploration program. MAVEN is the first mission that we've sent that's been devoted to studying the upper atmosphere. Mars and the Earth both formed at about the same time, 4.5 billion years ago. On Earth, we know that there was a crust and oceans and an atmosphere very quickly after it formed. Mars, we think the same thing based on the geological evidence. We think that 4 billion years ago it had a well-formed crust, a thick atmosphere, and over the next 1 or several hundred million years, we think a lot happened to change that. So we're trying to understand what happened to the atmosphere, how does that affect the climate on Mars, and then how does that affect things like the geological history of the planet, the potential to be able to support life. These are important questions for understanding Mars as a planet. MAVEN will launch from Cape Canaveral during a 20-day launch window that starts on November 18th of this year. In exploring Mars, we're not learning much that is of real practical value back here on the Earth. If we wanted to learn about the Earth, we would study the Earth. But what we're doing is exploring the universe around us. The overriding question for Mars is about the possibility of life on Mars. We're not a life detection mission, but we're part of understanding the environment that might be able to support life. This is something that would have no practical application back here, almost certainly, to study life elsewhere. But it would make a philosophical difference to everybody on this planet to know that there might be life elsewhere, to understand the environments, to find a world such as Mars that could have supported life